Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet keychains designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet keychain is a small decorative item made using crochet techniques that is attached to a keyring or chain. These keychains are often handcrafted using yarn or thread and a crochet hook, and they can come in a wide variety of shapes, themes, and styles. Common crochet keychains designs many are common. Tiny stuffed animal or objects like bears, cats, food items like cupcakes, ice cream, or fruits. Flowers like roses, daisies, sunflowers, etc. Hearts popular for gifts or Valentine's Day. And details or letters for personalized keychains. Mini bags or purses, teeny versions of bags, characters, cartoon or anime-inspired figures. Why people love crochet keychain, portable and lightweight, great handmade gifts or party favors. Allow for creative expression and use of leftover yarn. Can be used to decorate bags, zippers, or backpacks, not just keys. Here are some helpful tips for making crochet keychains that look neat, last long, and stand out beautifully. Use small hooks and tight stitches. Choose a smaller hook size than usual for your yarn. To create tight stitches, this helps the page stay firm and prevents stuffing from showing or poking out. Choose double yarn. Cotton yarn is ideal. It is strong, smooth, and doesn't pull easily. Avoid fuzzy yarns. They may not hold up well as keychains that get handled often. Keep it small and lightweight. The ideal keychain should be compact, around only 3 inches. Avoid bulky items. They can pull on keys or bags and become inconvenient. Add keyring hardware securely. Use a jump ring or lobster claps. Sew or crochet a strong loop to hold the ring, reinforce it well, so it doesn't fall apart with daily use. Eat stuffing, don't overfill. Use a small amount of fiberfill stuffing. Overstuffing may distort the shape or make it too heavy. Keep it cleanable if gifting or selling. Use washable yarn so it can be cleaned. Avoid gluing or decorations that may fall off when washed. Add creative details, embroider, symbolize, smiles, or ink details. Use safety eyes, teeny buttons or beads for extra charm. Customize with colors that suit themes. Red and pink for hearts, yellow for suns. Use stitch markers for accuracy, especially for small origami shapes. Stitch markers will track your rounds and prevent miscounts. Package them nicely. If giving as a gift or selling, attach the keychain to a decorative card or tag. Add a small label with care instructions for an extra thoughtful touch. Reinforce the joining points. Use extra stitches or knotting techniques while the crochet pleat meets the keyring. You can even use felt or fabric backing inside the top of the item to give more support. Stiffen delicate pieces. If you are making flat motifs like flowers or stars, you can stiffen them with a fabric stiffener or tellate it with glue to help them hold their shape. Play with color changes, try color blocking or stripe patterns to make your designs more interesting. Use variegated yarn for a natural multicolor effect with no effort. Add sound or texture. Insert a small bead or even shuttle inside the stuffing to make the keychain fun for kids. Add sound or texture inside a small bead or even a rattle inside the stuffing to make the keychain fun for kids. Crochet with textured yarns like velvet or pockle for different looks. Test for durability first. Make themed sets. Design several keychains around a theme, like fruit, like strawberry, banana, and apple, or emotions, like happy face, sad face. These are great for collections or gift sets. Personalize with new details, add small crochet letters, embroidered details, or teeny name tags. Great for custom gifts or branding your creations. Use magic ring for a clean start. Always begin small round shapes with a magic ring to avoid a hole in the center. It looks neater and holds the stuffing better. Tie tapestry crochet paragraphs. For flat keychains like squares or circles, you can use color charts to create teeny images like hearts, stars, or smiley faces. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!